Welcome to York, one of England's most enchanting cities where history comes alive and every cobblestone street tells a story. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a picturesque getaway, York has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the must-see sites, hidden gems, and practical tips to make your visit unforgettable. Let's dive in. York is easily accessible by train, bus, or car. If you're coming from London, the train takes just under 2 hours and costs around £50 to £70 for a round trip, depending on when you book. Once you arrive, the city is compact and walkable, so you can leave the car behind and explore on foot. No visit to York is complete without stepping inside the magnificent York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe. The stunning stained glass windows, intricate stone carvings, and breathtaking architecture will leave you in awe. Entry costs £16 for adults and is free for children under 16, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Climb the 275 steps to the top of the central tower for panoramic views of the city. It's an extra £6, but the vista is unforgettable. The Shambles, a step back in time. Next, let's wander through the Shambles, one of the best-preserved medieval streets in Europe. With its overhanging timber-frame buildings and narrow cobblestone lanes, it's easy to see why this street is said to have inspired Diagon Alley in Harry Potter. Today, the Shambles is lined with quirky shops, cozy cafes, and charming boutiques. Pop into the shop that must not be named for all your wizarding needs, or grab a coffee at one of the quaint tea rooms. York City Walls, a walk through history. York is surrounded by ancient city walls that date back to Roman times. Walking the full circuit takes about 2 hours and offers stunning views of the city and its landmarks. The best part? It's completely free. Start at Bootham Bar or Micklegate Bar and don't forget your camera. This is one of the best ways to see York from above. York Viking Centre, unearth the past. For a deeper dive into York's Viking history, head to the York Viking Centre. This interactive museum takes you back to the 10th century, where you can experience life as a Viking through reconstructed streets, artifacts, and even smells. Tickets cost £13 for adults and £9.50 for children, making it a fun and educational stop for families. Clifford's Tower, a symbol of power. Perched on a hill, Clifford's Tower is the last remaining part of York Castle and offers some of the best views of the city. York's food scene, a culinary adventure. York is a food lover's paradise, with everything from traditional British fare to international cuisine. For a classic Yorkshire experience, try Betty's Cafe tea rooms for their famous afternoon tea. Expect to pay around £20 to £30 per person, but the scones, sandwiches and pastries are worth it. If you're looking for something more casual, head to the Shambles market for street food stalls offering everything from gourmet burgers to vegan delights. For a sweet treat, stop by York's Chocolate Story, where you can learn about the city's chocolate-making heritage and even create your own chocolate bar. Tickets cost £14.50 for adults and £12.50 for children, and it's a fun activity for all ages. York is known as one of the most haunted cities in Europe, and there's no better way to experience its spooky side than on a ghost tour. The York Ghost Bus Tour is a theatrical and entertaining way to explore the city's dark history, with tickets priced at £18 for adults and £12 for children. If you prefer walking, join one of the many guided ghost walks that take you through the city's eerie alleyways and hidden corners. York is a shopper's delight, with a mix of independent boutiques and well-known brands. The Shambles is perfect for unique gifts and souvenirs, while Coppergate Shopping Centre offers a more modern retail experience. Don't miss the York Market, where you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. While York can be pricey, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the city on a budget. Many of the city's top attractions, like the York City Walls and the Museum Gardens, are free to explore. If you're planning to visit multiple paid attractions, consider getting a York Pass, which gives you access to over 20 sites and can save you money if you're planning a packed itinerary. For affordable dining, head to the many pubs and cafes scattered throughout the city. A hearty pub meal will cost around £10 to £15, and you'll often find daily specials that offer great value. Where to stay in York? York offers a range of accommodations to suit every budget. For a luxurious stay, book a room at the Grand York, a 5-star hotel housed in a historic building. Prices start at around £200 per night. If you're on a budget, there are plenty of charming bed and breakfasts and budget hotels, with rooms starting at £50 to £80 per night. For a unique experience, consider staying in one of the city's historic guest houses or boutique hotels. Day trips from York. If you have extra time, York is a great base for exploring the surrounding area. Take a short train ride to the picturesque village of Knaresborough or visit the stunning Castle Howard, a stately home that's often used as a filming location for period dramas. Both destinations are less than an hour away and offer a peaceful escape from the city. And there you have it, the ultimate travel guide to York, England's most charming city. From its awe-inspiring cathedral and medieval streets to its vibrant food scene and rich history, York is a destination that will capture your heart. Whether you're here for a day or a week, you'll leave with memories to last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a travel guide. Have you been to York? Share your favorite spots in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.